Welcome to Mazda Connect, our name for the multimedia system in your Mazda. If your Mazda has this screen, then this is the video for you. In this video, we'll be showing you how to set up your Apple Carplay or Android device, how to set your favorite radio station, how to pair your Bluetooth phone or audio device, and how to make a call and use the voice control. To use Apple Carplay or Android Auto, first ensure your iOS or Android device is unlocked. Connect your iOS or Android device using a lightning cable. You should then see the Apple Carplay or Android Auto logo appear on your device or notification bar. To access either Apple Carplay or Android Auto via the home screen, use the multimedia commander to select Entertainment, then scroll down to them. Alternatively, you can access either through Applications. To set your favorite radio station, first select Entertainment from the home screen. Select your desired radio band, AM, FM or DAB from the Entertainment menu. Using either the station list, scan or next functions, find your desired radio station. Press and hold the star button to save the radio station to your favorites. You can now access it anytime by simply pressing the star button. To pair your Bluetooth device, first turn on Bluetooth on your phone or audio device to ensure it is visible to other devices. If there isn't a phone currently connected to the system, it will automatically prompt to connect to a device. Select Connect. Ensure Bluetooth is turned on at the top of the menu. Select Add New Device. Search for Bluetooth connections on your own device. If required, enter the pairing code shown on your vehicle display, or simply confirm the code by pressing either Yes or OK. Finally, press Yes on the vehicle display to confirm and you'll be connected. To make a call, first select Communication from the Mazda Connect main menu. Scroll and select either Favorites if you have these set up, Call History or Contacts. Then simply select the name or number you wish to call. Press the multimedia commander once to highlight the contact, then press it again to begin your call. You can also use the call button on your steering wheel to access a contact from your call history. To end a call, press End Call or use the hang up button on the steering wheel. You can even make and end calls using voice commands. Simply press the voice command button and give commands following the prompts given by the system.
Available commands are Entertainment, Communication, Navigation, Settings, Applications, and Favorites.